Exciting update alert! Google Pixel's July 2025 enhances your experience with smoother Android Auto and robust Wi-Fi. Are you ready for a smoother, more stable mobile experience? The upcoming Google Pixel update for July 2025 is set to enhance your device's performance in notable ways. Though we're still awaiting the official rollout, Verizon's early preview through their changelogs offers us a sneak peek of what's coming your way. Interestingly, Verizon prematurely shared the update details for their Pixel 6a Masked Pro Fold series, notably leaving out the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Despite the update being officially pushed on July 2nd, Google's official release hasn't been made available as of Thursday morning. Based on an email notification sent to Pixel 6a users, we anticipate that this update will begin rolling out by Tuesday, July 8th. This timing avoids the first Monday of the month, a shift from Google's regular schedule, largely due to the United States' July 4th holiday, and tends to delay tech announcements. Now, let's talk about what's really new with this July 2025 Pixel update. The changelog highlights two significant updates: display and graphics. Your apps, including Android Auto, will now exhibit smoother visuals, making your daily interactions even more seamless. Wi-Fi. The update promises a more stable and reliable Wi-Fi connection, particularly in challenging conditions, enhancing your internet connectivity. This is the first incremental patch update within Android 16. Users can expect one more update in August to prepare for the major QPR1 release, which will introduce the stylish Material 3 Expressive redesign. But here's where it gets controversial. As we wait for the next Pixel Watch update in September, some might argue that this delay in Wear OS improvements indicates a lack of attention to their smartwatch ecosystem. Do you agree that the focus is shifting too heavily toward the phones, leaving smartwatches behind? Share your thoughts in the comments. For the latest updates, consider adding 9 to 5 Google to your Google News feed and stay informed.